Do you love having a tropical hibiscus each summer, but you hate the fact that you have to buy one every year? Well, maybe you need to consider getting a perennial hibiscus. Stay tuned and I'll tell you everything you need to know. Hey friends, welcome to Gardening with Creekside. It is Jenny, and today I am going to tell you about a fantastic shrub that we have grown for years here at our house and at the nursery. I absolutely love it. It is a perennial hibiscus. This gorgeous beauty is a perennial hibiscus. This is Cranberry Crush. It is from Proven Winners. It is part of their Summerific series of perennial hibiscus. I don't know if people know that there are perennial hibiscus out there, but they are. And isn't she gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. So imagine that you only have to buy your hibiscus once instead of every single season. I know that tropical hibiscus are very popular. People love to put them around their pools and just different areas of their house to give them that great summertime feel. I love perennial hibiscus because they are so easy and low maintenance. Now, there are tons of different varieties, different colors, different sizes. So I'm going to give you just a general overview of perennial hibiscus. Again, like I said, this is Cranberry Crush. She is a beautiful, deep, rich red, massive blooms on them. These would be considered the dinner plate size blooms. Now, what's really interesting about the hibiscus blooms is that they only last for one day. We are filming this in the late evening, and so a lot of the blooms that were in all their glory today are beginning to close and be at the end of their life cycle. And then we have new buds that by tomorrow morning will be open and be full. So I have personally have found that the perennial hibiscus are really full and gorgeous in the morning and throughout the day. Towards the end of the evening, they start to close up. Perennial hibiscus generally are hardy in zones 4 through 9, so they're extremely cold tolerant and heat tolerant. Something that you need to know though about the hibiscus is that they love it hot. It's probably not a big surprise there, but they do love it hot. So they will be like one of the absolute last things to come up in your garden. In fact, depending on where you live in the country, will kind of determine what time of year they come up. Here in North Carolina for us, obviously we're a little bit warmer than say our friends in Michigan or Oregon or Washington State. They come up typically sometime in May. And once they actually do come up, they are rapid growers. It is nothing for them to grow at least an inch a day. The different hibiscus will be a different size. So Cranberry Crush is right around that 4-foot mark. Typically they can be wider than they are tall, but as you see behind me, this was an older variety. This is Cherry Cheesecake from Proven Winners from a couple of years ago, and she's taller than she is wide. So once you find your perennial hibiscus that you love, just make sure that she will fit in the space that you have and that she is the color that you want. Sun requirements. They have to have a minimum of 4 to 5 hours of sun, and then they can get all the way up to all day sun. These ones that we have here are underneath our big giant crepe myrtles. So the sun will come up behind me in the east and sets in front of me in the west. So they get some morning sun, early direct sun, then filtered during the midday, and then in the afternoon they get direct sun again. But as a total, they get at least 5 to 6 hours of sun, therefore they put on their gorgeous blooms. But I hope you have found this a little bit informative, that we have shown you some different varieties, giving you a little different idea of something that you can add to your garden. We all love perennials when they come back year after year and they give us these massive, gorgeous blooms for months on end. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to Gardening with Creekside. We will see y'all next time. Bye, friends.